Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we'll discuss on SQL syntax basics. So you must wonder, what is syntax? Syntax is kind of a format using which we are going to apply our SQL commands. So basically, right, anyone they want to access the database data, just like that they cannot go and query the values or the data from the tables. For each and everything, a proper format needs to be specified and how the commands are used, okay, so that they fetch the right data. They are all being defined under the name of syntax. So this is what syntax is all about. Basically we can say it's a unique set of rules and guidelines. Rules, guidelines, format to be followed for the SQL commands. Okay. Mostly the SQL statement starts with like any of the keywords. So already in our older videos we discussed, right? Select, insert, delete, create. So many keywords are there. So basically a SQL statement will start with any one of them. So we will see an example of using select. Okay, so for this SQL select, I am just going to write the syntax. Select column 1. So consider there are like a table. Say first I'll just draw a table. Okay, so this is ID, this is name. So I am having data Rajiv, another data Mehta. Okay, this is a table. This table let us take as customer table. Okay, so select column 1, or if you want to select both the columns, or if you want to select multiple columns. So how many columns is going to be available? Basically based upon that your syntax will apply as select that column name from table name. Okay, so and it will be finished with a semicolon. Okay, so basically SQL syntax will be like starting with any of the keyword and what you are looking for and certain conditions, if any extra condition is going to be there, that condition you can apply, and from where we are actually going to fetch the data, that one. Okay, finally ending up with semicolon. Because this being just a kind of basic, we are discussing this one here, but there are certain cases where we will be using distinct to identify or remove the duplicates alone, and where clause, where we want to apply some condition, and there are so many other keywords that can be used, okay, based upon which we can retrieve the data needed from that table. So for example, using this syntax, I'd select column 1 from table name. Okay, this simple statement will allow you to fetch from the table the first column value. Okay, so for this table, customer table, ID, name, we are having. Now if I try to run the select column name, so first column it is ID, select ID from table name, I am just giving it as a customers. If I try to execute this one, I will be getting the result of, this is the output. Okay, so either I can specify simply give what field name I want. Okay, or using the primary key and foreign key we can also call the data from other tables as well. So already we have discussed the basics on how we are going to do things, but we'll discuss in later classes how they are going to be utilized further. So for now, consider this. So all we want to enter is any SQL statement to retrieve the data we want. So it is all basically going to be followed some rules, guidelines or some formats which is called as syntax. And that syntax, how it will be, basically it will start with any SQL keyword followed by what data we need and from where or which table we are fetching for. This is very basic. And apart from that, if you want to apply any conditions or any other extra validations, right, that one can be set up further. So which will be covering up in our later videos. Okay guys, so and one more thing is like this SQL statement where we are using the keywords. In SQL, this is like not case sensitive. If you put it as like this or if you put in caps, both will be working in the same manner. Whereas in case of MySQL, they are like case sensitive and they will act somewhat different. So it just varies basically from one RB or relational database management system to another database management system. So in basic SQL, it is all our case insensitive, we can say. Hope you all got an idea of what is the basic syntax rules available in SQL. So we are just going to discuss more in detail on these topics. Okay, so what are the commands we have? So we are going to check for some examples as well. So what will be the syntax, how these keywords and commands are being used in there, and how we are fetching the data. So with some kind of table examples we are going to see in detail in future videos. If you find this interesting, do share it to your friends. Keep watching. Also do subscribe to our channel. Okay, stay tuned in for more video guys. Hope to see you all soon on our next video. Until then, it's your VK signing off. Bye bye.